The next 90 days are packed with high demand travel dates, Christmas, New Year's Eve, and other regional holidays. These are make or break weeks for property managers everywhere. Guests are already booking, often months ahead. Holiday booking windows are longer than your typical weekend trip. Guests lock their travel plans well ahead of time. That's why it's important to be proactive. The good news is that PriceLabs automatically adapts your rates as demand rises, so your pricing is already working for you. But a quick health check of your portfolio now makes sure your calendar is ready to receive those high value bookings. Start with booking curves and pacing reports. Think of them as your early warning system. The solid line shows how key metrics such as occupancy and revenue are building this year. The dashed line shows what happened last year. If you're pacing ahead, you're filling faster than usual, hold your rates or even raise them. If you're behind, it may just be that demand hasn't materialized yet. But if those dates are close and you're still behind, that's your cue to review your setup. Next, check your minimum stay rules for high demand dates. Do they match how guests in your market actually book? Use market history in neighborhood data for a quick look at typical stay lengths. For a deeper view, build a market dashboard to check stay patterns and booking windows. Since Christmas Day and New Year's fall on a Thursday this year, demand may shift toward longer stays to include weekends, so setting a 4 to 5 night minimum can work well. If your market shows more 5 night stays, set higher minimums to capture them. And finally, what works for one listing won't always work for 100. Markets change and new properties don't always fit the same mold. With groups and subgroups, you can review holiday settings, move new listings where they belong, and apply rules in one click, keeping strategies consistent while giving each property the right push. High demand doesn't guarantee high revenue, but with PriceLabs managing your pricing and a few smart checks on your end, you'll be ready to capture the season's best bookings.